Hi, let me introduce one of our star candidates of Enable India, who's an alumni of Enable India, by name Nagaraj. Hi Nagaraj.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Fantastic. Just tell a little bit about yourself, Nagaraj, where you work and where are you from?
Basically, I'm from Tiptur, so I have been working in Thomson Reuters.
So Tiptur is a very small town in the Karnataka, right? In the state of Karnataka.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have been working in Thomson Reuters little over 5.5 years,
Oh, that's nice.
and as a content analyst.
Right. Yeah. So what exactly do you do as a
So
content analyst?
Thomson Reuters is a financial information provider. We
Correct.
provide information to the investors and the
Across the
decision.
globe, yeah.
Yes, decision makers. And actually, my role is like content analyst and like content collection actually.
Okay, you have to do a lot of work on internet databases, analyze different type of data,
Yes.
right? Okay, that's interesting. That's very great to hear as well that, you said that you've been working for 5.5 years, which is a long time. But I definitely remember that, how much time it took for you to get job, right? It was such a painful experience that you had to go through. How much time did it take to get job for you?
It's almost like 3 years.
3 years, man, my God. So how was your experience like, waiting for job?
Yeah, it was not that much easy actually. It was kind of painful.
Yeah.
So like a couple of examples which I can put
Okay.
it. Like,
Okay.
in one of the technical writing company, so they are when I attended
Yeah, I
the written
remember.
test actually, so
I
the
remember.
employer informed us like I was selected.
Yeah.
Actually. And so
But then it didn't come through.
Yeah,
It
that
didn't
did
come
not
through.
happen.
I mean, I remember we followed up several times on that, right?
Yes.
So, but how did you really feel, yeah? I mean, it's such a, after saying that you have been selected but nothing really worked out, what was your feeling like? Was it, again, tough?
Yeah, it was tough
Demotivated?
actually. But I was seeing around the people. So it was the obvious fact which I accepted that it was not that much easy.
Yeah,
And so
correct.
the
Even
thing-
though you had positive attitude,
Yeah.
right? It was not easy at all, right? Okay, okay. And I also remember that you went to another company, some
Yeah.
BPO kind of company, I guess.
Yes,
right?
actually,
What happened there?
I was selected and I worked almost for a month actually.
Mhm.
And so because of the at that time we because of we did not have the low vision solutions
Correct,
actually, so
correct.
I have to leave the job.
Ah, okay. So it was more from the low vision point of view, it didn't work out
Yeah.
for you, right? Oh
Yeah.
my God. So again, I mean, that's much more painful working for 1 month or something like that, and then after that, you're coming out of the company thinking that it's not working out. So how did you manage to cope with that, So what all did you do in this process?
So actually, I just keep on keep enhancing my skills.
Okay.
So that is one thing which must need it.
So I remember that, that's when did you get into some internship or some project work,
Yes.
at Enable India?
I did some freelance writing.
Exactly. Correct. I remember that as well.
And
yeah. So which
so-
helped you to, polish your skills.
Yes.
Correct. And also whenever you felt demotivated and all that, did you read something? Or, I mean, how did you network with people to learn what things can be done better? Yeah, so when you...
Yeah, actually, I used to enhance my skills and learn. Like I used to watch TV, so because to learn the current
Especially, I
affairs.
think, official business news and all that,
Business.
right? Yeah.
Even today, I used to watch the
Yeah.
ABTV, the kind of thing.
Mm.
So it would help me to improve my communication. And so I used to read a lot of books actually.
Oh,
So
okay. Nice.
reading books is a kind of inspiration for me actually.
So that is how you kept your hope alive.
Yeah, even
Okay.
today I
Even
used
though
to
it was
read many
painful
books.
and all. Yeah. Okay. All right. Any other example or anything else that you remember that, how painful, like one of the things I definitely remember or generally from any experience talking, right, general experience, that we all run out of our pockets, right? There'll be zero money in our pockets. Anyone who's waiting for a job, that's one of the worst things that can happen to all of us, right? How did you manage? Did you also face such an experience?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, my God. Okay.
Obvious fact, actually, we have to accept the facts. Actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so, like, in a way, like, that freelance writing helped me such a way.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
so,
So, and you would have gone through a lot of this one, different types of shoutings and tantrums from your family members saying, "What are you doing? Waiting. Every day you're just going somewhere. You're not coming back with any job." So, how was? I mean, did you have something like that as well? Some
yes,
experience?
actually. So that definitely, like,
Yeah.
I was hearing from my family members.
Yeah.
So, like, so they're like not that much force at this one, but
Yeah.
definitely I.
But still, it can also, emotionally feel
Emotionally,
very,
yeah. Definitely,
it
it won't impact.
exactly, feel very down, even when the family members say that, right?
Yes.
That's a very tough time, right?
Yes.
So that is correct, right?
Yes.
So fine. I mean, you did a lot of things. While it was very, very tough, what you're saying is you also worked to improve your skills, which is what helped you to keep that hope alive, right? And work towards getting the job, right? Even though you waited for I think around 3 years, right?
Yes.
So any one piece of advice that you want to tell all the candidates, or the job seekers who have to wait sometimes, 3 years, 6 years, 5 years, God knows. What do you want to tell them?
Actually, so the obvious thing, like, have patience. That's what Vivekananda has said.
Yeah.
And the thing is, like, keep enhancing your skills. Actually, people like John Milton, Stephen Hawkins, or Edison. Actually, they remember. People remember them as for what they have contributed.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
not the disability which
Yeah.
what they
Yeah.
have achieved.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
keep enhancing your skills and keep hope. So
Yeah.
that is definitely one day or the other work out.
So Nagraj says that, so it is definitely a very painful experience, emotionally and plus just to be in that moment. While you are going through the painful experience, keep trying, and there may be hundreds of areas that, you may feel that, yes, this is where I'm going to get a job, and you feel that, yes, everything is going to end now, but suddenly there may be a disappointment, which is what he narrated a story of some experience that he had. But while all these disappointments and ups and downs that a job seeker goes through, it's important that you also keep your learning experience alive. Keep learning something, which is what helps you to get to the job that you dream of, right? Thank you. Thanks, Nagraj.
It was nice. Thanks.
Yeah.